Man, this one brings me back. This one brings me back a lot because I remember this one was one of the first shoes that I actually picked up. First, I guess to say Air Jordan 1 that I picked up in 2019. And it actually helped me to kind of like start my channel as well. And to see that these now came out in a low, I was like, yes, because I wear a lot more lows now than I do my highs. And the sneaker that we're taking a look at today, Air Jordan 1. The Air Jordan 1 Obsidian low. And man, these bring me back. This one right here for me at least is just nostalgia because like I said, I had the highs, but they're no longer in the collection anymore. And to see that they finally brought back a low and I wear more lows, oh yeah, this one is really, really nice. And if you guys had the highs back in the day, then you might go ahead and just for the memory, for the nostalgia factor, you might gravitate towards these. Let's check them out right now together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefred. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Happy Monday, and what a great way to start off the week with a fresh, new sneaker review. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, and as you can see right here, we're taking a look at an Air Jordan 1, and this colorway, I'm excited to finally that they went ahead and put it into a low, because I remember when I had this in 2019, I was like, man, these are really, really nice. I did end up selling this pair, and then I was like, you know what? I kind of hope that maybe one day they can kind of give it a low cut. And I've been seeing that Nike and Jordan Brand have been doing that with a lot of the lows. So in today's video, we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 low in the Obsidian colorway. And these ones are really, really nice. I'm so happy to go ahead and have these because, like I said, in 2019 when I had these, I eventually did go ahead and sell them just to kind of like make more space for inventory. So the fact that now that they're in a low is wonderful to see. But before we go ahead and take a look at these lows, let me go ahead and tell you, I want to give you guys your shout outs and your kudos because I greatly appreciate all the love and support that you show on the channel, and I gotta make sure I take care of you guys first. So let's start it. All right, first and foremost, man, hey, let me just say, I know I always say it, but seriously, I appreciate you guys so much. The momentum that we're doing this year is insane, and I'm just so thankful for you guys. If this is your first time checking out any of the channel, any of the content, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That way, anytime I upload a video like you're seeing right here, you can be alerted and notified. So you need to go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I'm telling you, we're going up this year. Also, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, I like to go ahead and feature you guys because it's a way for me to kind of show you the love back that you show me. Like your guys' constant support, constant commenting, all of the engagement. It just means a lot. Like sometimes I'll be literally scrolling at night, like going through it like late at night, and I'm like, man, you guys are just amazing. So I want to go ahead and feature you guys like you see right here. You can say anything you want to say. As long as you just engage, I promise you I'll feature you like you see. So with all of that said, now let's take a look at these Obsidian lows. Let's go. Here we go right here. So we did go ahead and get the pickup from finish line. And like I said, I did go ahead and have these in 2019. I mean, as you can see from the video in the back that's playing, that was actually one of my very first videos I dropped on the channel. So to see where we've come now, it's kind of emotional, but let's go ahead and take this out of the package. And here we go. Right here, just like in 2019, it comes in the original box as well. You have that Obsidian blue with that blue, navy, darker blue right there. As we pull up to the other side, you have your size description, which we'll go ahead and read, and you get more of the Nike logo right there. So these go ahead and read Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Obsidian University Blue Sale, and this is a 10.5. And SKU code on this could read CZ0790400. And here we go right here. And I honestly recommend, by now you guys have seen so many reviews, but if you are new, because there are new people that come each and every single day, I recommend the sizing to go true to size. If you've ever tried on an Air Jordan 1, go that same exact size and you'll be fine. And if you've never, like, if you're wondering, like, where can I go see an Air Jordan 1? You can go to like retailers like Finish Line, Champs, Dick's Sporting Goods. Try it on, that way you get that fitting and you can go the exact same with the low. So Here we go, man. I actually saw these and I was like, I had to get them. So let's go ahead and pull off the lid right here. As you see, when you pull off the lid, you do have your cardboard tan lid right there. And then as we go ahead, we have tissue paper, all white tissue paper, nothing too special, but as we go ahead and lift these things up, hold on, let's turn it like this, much better. As we go ahead and turn these things around in 3, 2, and 1, here we go, right there. The low version of the Obsidian lows. And Jordan Brand, I'm really happy to see that you're doing this. Nike and Jordan Brand, you need to continue to do this because I know that this year with a lot of releases coming out, we are getting a good amount of lows, and I'm seeing that they're taking the highs colorway and making them into a low. So I like that right there. But let's go ahead and pull out the other one and then we can review it together. Boom, here we go. Right here, we got the Air Jordan 1 low in the Obsidian color way, and these look very, very nice, just like the high version, just in a low cut, which I honestly, now if you're like me, I rock more lows than I do the highs. But I wonder, did they come with the same like the highs did? Yeah, they did come with that navy blue lace, and one other thing as well, they do come with cream sail, not white, sail laces. And I can't remember when, I want to say that when they first dropped in the high, they also came with the navy blue laces as well. But looks like they didn't go ahead and come, or not navy blue, but I think like it was like a darker UNC laces. Let me see. Yeah, they did. Look, I'm using a little cheat sheet right here. They did come with it. Oh my gosh, but I guess in this one they didn't go ahead and throw them in. But here we go right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at let's take a look at the left, just because I kind of figure I always do the right. I always do the left. And as you can see too, when I pick these up, I kind of lace them just a little bit. So starting from the back right here, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the, actually, you know what? Starting from the outsole right here. Also does go ahead and you have a dark outsole, which is that navy blue hit right there. Then as we come up to the midsole is a nice white midsole. Let me see, is it white? It is white. See, this is what y'all need to be doing, Jordan Brand. Stop doing the sail midsole all the time. I get what you're trying to do, but this is what the people want. So as you see right here, it goes all the way around. You get hit with the Wings logo at the back. You get hit with that nice UNC blue. As you come up, you get hit with more of that big, nice navy blue swoosh right there. And you have your navy blue panels. As you come up to the toe box right here, toe box is nice and plush with that white toe box. You have your default laces in there, which is the navy blue, nylon tongue, which is done in that white, and then you also do have in the Obsidian colorway Nike Air. As we go ahead and take out the shoe tree, these look this is just exactly like the Obsidian highs, man, crazy. As you see right here, you have a blue insole right there, and then you do have a Nike Air logo right there in that Obsidian baby blue, which is a very nice hit. I like these, man. I like these, and like I said, with me getting into lows a lot more, this was one that I was like, yeah. I was kind of on the fence because there's so much other stuff, but I was like, I don't have my highs anymore, and I gotta get these. Here's the other ones right there. I did already go ahead and lace these up just a little bit. I kind of got eager, and I was like, man, I gotta see what they look like on feet before I go ahead and grab them. But I like these a lot, and I'm really excited, like I said, to see that Jordan Brand is coming out with more lows in colorways that we like. Like, we got the Rookie of the Year's logo, and those will be on the way, and I need me a pair of those because those are very, very crispy. But as you see right here, there we go. I also said, I know I showed you already, but want to give you a closer view. As you can see, we do have more of the sail cream laces, which I think goes perfect with these. So let me know, did you go ahead and pick these things up? Did you not pick these things up? How are you feeling about them? Again, I'm really enjoying lows, so I'm really happy to have these. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review. But before I do, I want to give you guys a closer perspective. That way, if you're on the fence of wanting to go ahead and grab these, then this review can help out with that. So let's go ahead and take a closer look right now. So here we go. Right here, we got the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian low back, and it's wonderfully. And you know what's crazy about this shoe? Actually, this shoe, in my opinion, looks just 10 times more better than the highs do. I think so. And it's crazy also, not only that, but had this shoe been around in like 2020 when the COVID era, these would have been crazy gone already. But these are actually sitting. I even think there's just some spots that you can probably wait couple more weeks and these things will go on sale. Just kind of be patient though. But let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 1 in the Obsidian colorway. Are they a cop or are they a drop, guys? Let me know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review of the Air Jordan 1 Low Obsidian. Let me know what you guys think about these. The on-feet review is coming right now. And like I said, I really am enjoying the lows a lot. I hope that Jordan Brand continues to go ahead and give us more lows and colorways that we really like. I would love to see, for example, those pine green highs that came out. I would like to see those in a low. And I feel like it's on its way. Jordan Brand, let's make it happen. Nike, Jordan Brand, come on now. I feel like it is on its way though. But this has been the review over these. Let me know what you think about them. This has been your kid. This has been your boy. I appreciate you guys so much. There's only ever going to be one you. Be the best you. And until next time, I will catch you in the next video. Peace, guys.